Walt from Dirtfoot Racing, or this is Walt from Dirtfoot Racing. Today we're going to, we got another Chinese diesel here we're going to unbox. We already have three others. We have a Swan Power, a little blue cast iron block one. We have one of the red ones that you see on the internet. Looks like a Predator engine. We have an orange one over here already on the Coleman. And this one here is supposed to be another orange one. So let's open it up and see what it is. Don't mind that, that's the air compressor running in the shop. Let's see what we got here. Ah, looks like we have an orange one. So, one more orange one coming out. I can tell you right now, the styrofoam is looking in better condition compared to the last one. Cut her open, see what she looks like. Voila. Now, that's better. The last one we got, this was all bent, and it was you couldn't even pull on it, it wouldn't work. So the last one, the throttle mechanism here was bent also. It was bouncing around the box. The only thing that... Sorry. I don't see anything. It does look like the muffler's bending a little bit. The box did have an imprint of the output shaft, a hole through the side. Oh, look at this. We have a Inspector 12 didn't sign this one. So take this out of the styrofoam. That's a long ride from the factory in China. So let's get this stuff out of the way here. All right. So what we have is one of the, as people are seeing on the internet, on eBay and Amazon, four horsepower Chinese diesel. They're kind of patterned after the Predator type engines. Cylinder laying this way, except for the fact you got the diesel injector pump and injectors. And they're built a lot heavier inside too. So the plan for this one is we're going to do some modifications, see if we can get some more horsepower out of it. More performance. I don't know how much actual horsepower we'll get out of it, but that is the plan for this particular engine, and we'll see what happens in that respect. So we talked about what we're supposed to be maybe doing. The idea is maybe put basically a blower on it, like a supercharger, in a sense, somewhere here, powered from the engine itself versus a turbocharger, which requires a lot of exhaust gas to operate properly. So that's the idea behind it. That's what we're planning on doing. If you want to check out our other video we had on Dirtfoot Racing where we took one of these engines completely apart to see what's inside of it, you can see what's inside of it. So we'll probably do some of that with this one also in the process of the modification. So that's pretty much it for this. But yeah, it arrived in one piece, it seems like, so better than the last time. That's a plus.